now we are back.
Fist and Lusala Braddock liked the stream.
Thanks for like everyone.
Roger Speedbird 1811. Miami approach Speedbird 1811. Request clearance to
In 4
transition
days I
Charlie
will bid for
airspace.
Hollywood International, which is only 8 kilometers far away.
Cleared through Charlie airspace Speedbird 1811. Speedbird 1811, contact Miami approach on 119.45. Good day.
Ravi Kumar liked the stream.
Going to 119er
Thanks for like everyone.
Speedbird 1811.
So we are heading
Miami
to the
approach
Palm Beach
Speedbird
side.
1811, 400 feet.
Speedbird 1811, Miami approach altimeter 29er.902, continue as planned.
Nawafino Onitex liked the stream.
Thanks for like everyone. Welcome to the stream, man. We are crossing the border of Hollywood.
Delta Eta Mu Tau Rho Eta Sigma Kappa Alpha Pi Epsilon Rho Nu Alpha Rho Omicron Sigma liked the stream.
119er decimal 7 for Speedbird 1811. Miami approach Speedbird 1811, 800 feet.
Speedbird 1811, Miami
Everyone, I really hope you guys are loving the stream, man.
902, continue as planned. Speedbird 1811, you're leaving my airspace. Resume on navigation. Contact Miami, approach on 128.6. Good day.
Going to 128.6 Speedbird 1811.
Hello, NWA, safe travels. Thanks a lot,
Miami
brother.
approach
Really
Speedbird
appreciate it.
1811, 500 feet.
Speedbird 1811, Miami approach altimeter 29er.902, continue as planned.
Make sure to always stay in your seat. And first your seat, guys. लगाओ मैं एरिका अशोक एरिका अशोक एक बार
Going to 125 decimal 2 Speedbird 1811. Palm Beach approach Speedbird 1811, 400 feet.
Alan Oil liked the stream.
thanks for like everyone. What's up, how are you?
Srignalo liked the stream.
इतना अच्छा हमको दौड़ना पड़ा मैंने पार्लर काफी Hello Mokbul Shaikh, Boo, Nair, Abu Bakr, all of you, big shout out to you. Thanks for the lovely follows, guys.
Palm Beach approach Speedbird 1811. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace.
Speedbird 1811 Palm Beach approach. Cleared through the Charlie airspace.
Cleared through Charlie airspace Speedbird 1811.
At this moment, the outside temperature is only 14 degrees centigrade. The weather is so moderate, and it is only almost 11 p.m. 11 to 12 p.m.
Manzoor Ahmad liked the stream.
Thanks a lot, everyone. Welcome to the stream.
Speedbird 1811, you are leaving my airspace. Resume low navigation. Contact Palm Beach approach on 128.3. Good day.
Point 128 decimal tree Speedbird 1811. Palm Beach approach Speedbird 1811 800 feet.
Speedbird 1811 Palm Beach approach altimeter 29er.9er to continue as planned.
Abraham Jr. Allah liked the stream.
Hello. I'll just wait a bit.
Tree 5 Speedbird 1811. Palm Beach approach Speedbird 1811 400 feet.
Speedbird 1811, Palm Beach approach altimeter 29er, decimal 9er, to continue as planned.
Jaja liked the stream. Zarshad Ali liked the stream. Like the stream. Like the stream.
Speedbird 1811, contact Palm Beach, approach 0132 decimal 8. Good day.
132.8 Speedbird 1811. Palm Beach approach Speedbird 1811 300 feet.
Speedbird 1811 Palm Beach approach altimeter 29er, decimal 9er, to continue as planned.
Guys, I didn't see
Gen
my
Y
mic
Tera
was muted,
Maestra
my bad.
liked the stream.
I was talking from a long time. I called someone so that time. And what's up? Welcome to the stream, guys. We are heading to the Melbourne city right now, and this can take up to probably 5 to 7 minutes more only 5 to 7 minutes. I don't think you have ever experienced this in your life. This is the first time I'm trying to show you something different, by the way.
Speedbird 1811 contact Palm Beach approach on 123.625. Good day.
Going to 123.625 Speedbird 1811. Palm Beach approach Speedbird 1811 300 feet.
Speedbird 1811 Palm Beach approach altimeter 29.9er to continue as planned.
Mateus Thomas Timba Thomas liked the stream.
Thanks for a like. Hi guys, welcome to the stream, man. What's up about you?
Gearios liked the stream.
Thanks a lot, everyone.
Amit Rathod liked the stream. Abu Bakar Upura liked the stream.
Thanks a lot, everyone. Welcome to the stream. Right now we are flying in an altitude of 378. And the reason I'm flying in this low altitude point because I want to show you this beautiful place from as close as possible. That's my target, guys. And as you can see, I'm totally following this
Kyle McGillivray
highways
liked the stream.
because this will take me to my destination, to the Melbourne city. Only in 3 to 4 minutes we are going to reach to Melbourne and we are going
Oblong
to
Boss
Melbourne.
liked the stream.
Thanks for all lovely likes and support, guys, everyone. Really appreciate it.
Julio Rafael Jimenez liked the stream.
And thanks for all lovely support, guys. I've never expected
Faida Neon
that you
Sabah
guys
liked
give
the stream.
so much love and support towards this family, guys.
Kamra Ran liked the stream. Manuel Mateos liked the stream.
Thanks a lot, everyone. What's up? How are you? What is going on? Silent drop? Don't tell me again, it will not show. I get scared sometimes because of some glitches. Now guys, in 2 minutes we are going to reach to Melbourne City. I think we are already there. I'm not sure, by the way. Oh my god, this is the BT Airways, I forgot.
Like
This
the
is an
stream.
international plane, guys. Only in international airport will be able to land. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, in front of us there is our beautiful Melbourne International Airport. There's the Melbourne City in front of us.
Annie Rodriguez Rosell liked the stream.
And after that, I will take you back and we'll land in the Miami International Airport. That's my target, guys.
Rohan Soni liked the stream.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to land.
Alaja Bobalola liked the stream.
No?
Gart Bramall liked the stream.
Now guys, we are going to land.
Alhaja Aduki liked the stream.
It's going to be hard landing.
East 700 feet with Gulf to land.
Oh, not clear to land, it is telling me.
1811 Melbourne Tower.
Keyur Mahesh Bhai Gajja liked the stream.
Liner to 1277, entry 2. Make straight in runway 27 left.
This is not possible. This is telling me not clear to land, guys.
Make straight in runway
Have to fall
27
back.
left Speedbird.
Gina
1811.
Galamai liked the stream.
Now again, we are
Asogwa
landing here.
Okamaka liked the stream.
And I'm trying to speed up again.
Phyllis Kimberly liked the stream. SK Koremali liked the stream.
भाई वर्नर इस आया
Like the stream. Barbara Thomas liked the stream.
Like everyone, welcome to the stream. Hey Joskova, hi brother, welcome to the stream. How are you? As you can see, we are taking you back because
Jose Kova liked
that
the
airport is
stream.
not possible to land. It is telling me we are not clear to land, so we have to take you to Miami International Airport from here.
Gene Mason liked the stream.
It will take only a few
Runway
minutes, don't worry.
27 left Speedbird 1811.
Now let's go, baby.
Ivory Slane liked
Look
the
at this
stream.
beautiful Melbourne city. If I would take you there, there will be the Cape Canaveral city, the beautiful city too. And also the Patrick Space Force. I'm not taking you there at this moment.
Clayton Dos Santos liked the stream. Morgan Lindane liked the stream.
Thanks for like everyone. How are you? What's up everyone?
Naresh R. Mahanata liked the stream.
Hey Norish, you're back. What's up? How are you?
Javed Hassan liked the stream.
Thanks for like everyone. Thanks for 50 plus likes already. Really appreciate it.
Karan Roy liked the stream.
Let me fly in with low speeds for some moment. Hey Clayton, good afternoon. I follow this from Mozambique. Hey brother, thanks a lot. Good afternoon. Hey Karan Roy, hi brother. Welcome to the stream. How are you?
Nadoha liked the stream.
Just wait, I need to fly from a little bit higher altitude. Higher altitude. And thanks for your follow, guys. Big shout out to you, everyone. Now let's pull inside the landing gear and let me show you the beautiful landing in Miami International. Hey Naresh, yes, thanks a lot. Welcome to the stream. After a long time, you're back. Where have you been in those days, brother? As you can see, we are flying in this low altitude point and totally trying this route, following this route.
Harry
Because
Kojo
this will
liked
take
the
me to Miami
stream.
Island, and I want to show you the closest view. That's also my target. That's why I'm flying in this low altitude point.
Natasha liked the stream.
I can see there is a huge traffic here. On the right side there is the beautiful Vero Beach Regional Airport, guys. But I need an international airport to land. So better take you to Miami International Airport. Hello guys, this is Silver Gaming speaking. I really hope you guys are loving this stream. Where are you landing, brother? We are flying over United States of America and we are trying to take you to Miami Island, the Miami International Airport. The title says. I'm fine, brother. How are you? What are you doing? Where are you now?
YM Leeson liked the stream. Abdul Karim liked the stream. Anjana Prinal Prajapati liked the stream.
I will tell you name of the fort. This is the fort face. I could show you. Beautiful fort. But that's now not possible.
Alex Hadasi liked the stream.
And what's up guys, everyone, welcome to the stream, man. Look at this beautiful highway which we are trying to follow all of this.
Jaswant
This will take
Singh
me to
liked
my
the stream.
destination, trust me. Yes brother, thanks a lot. The view is really beautiful. Everyone, welcome to the stream. Really appreciate it for your lovely support, guys.
Castel Brishu liked the stream. Antonina Balai Sine liked the stream. Mohan Chauhan liked the stream.
Thanks for like, everyone. Welcome to the stream.
Maria
This is a
Watson
Grand
liked
area
the
and one of
stream.
the most riskiest place ever from United States of America. Nobody dares to live here.
Scott Taylor liked the stream.
Thanks for like, everyone.
Pete McGree liked the stream. Joe Carpenter liked the stream.
Thanks for like, everyone. How are you? Now in front of us there will be the beautiful Palm Beach side, guys.
Muharrem Chelik liked the stream.
How much time land? It's long time or what? Your health, my health is good, but
Henry
little
May
bit voice issue.
Inkajiz liked the stream.
And this can take up to probably 10 minutes to land. From here this can take 10 minutes, I think. And how are you, brother? How is your health? You are not responding me. Are you here, brother? I'm sorry, I was a little bit late. I was doing some, checking some important topic regarding this streaming. So.
Amunet Namani liked the stream.
Thanks, man. Thanks a lot.
Rattaran Hadavata liked the stream. JCS Sanayaka liked the stream.
I'm fine and watching. Okay, you are watching my stream. Where are you? Are you at your home?
Dornainero liked the stream.
This is the beautiful Palm Beach, guys. Yeah, bro, there's lots of buildings. Look at this place. But do you want to visit this place? If I will be richer one day, then definitely I will visit Miami, Palm Beach, and whole USA. I want to visit. I'm so poor I can't at this moment.
Eleanor Roosevelt liked the stream.
Love it? Oh my god. I want to visit USA, brother, so much. But I'm so poor at this moment. Totally, I mean, I could fly from the middle side, but here you are getting the city view and the city view. That's why I'm taking from here.
Joyous Win liked the
You know,
stream.
this will take you to the first model plane you are flying, bro. This is the 78710, Boeing 78710. This is the British Airways, which I am flying. Boeing 78710. Tornay, what's up? Welcome to your stream. Are you also a streamer or a Microsoft Flight Simulator player, brother? Hey Gordon Sumner, welcome to the stream. First of all, I'm going to land just in a few minutes. This is the Palm Beach side, so it will take 7 to 8 minutes to do the landing in Miami International Airport. Only 7 to 8 minutes. Where the place I am, okay, landmark. This is the Delray Beach. Still now this is Palm Beach side, brother. And in front of us there is the Pompano Beach Airport. We crossed the border of Boca Raton, I think. Thanks for 80 likes also. Really appreciate it, brother.
HSGD Rups liked the stream.
Thanks for like everyone. Welcome to the stream, man. You're welcome, brother.
Ingo Thorman liked the stream. Gordon Sumner liked the stream.
Looks like the Boeing 787 Dreamliner from the bottom view. Yeah, this is the Boeing 787-10. I'm showing you the closest view. Just wait.
Daniel
There's
Fung
pilot
liked
view.
the stream.
In front of us, only 22 kilometers far away, Hollywood International Airport, guys. How is your going journey? It's fine, brother. It's fine.
Nusrat Jumanne liked the stream.
The journey is fine. We are facing some trivial situations sometimes. I mean, we faced because my main engine sometimes doesn't work. That time I had to use the backup engine because we are flying in this lowest altitude point, you know. Beautiful foliage site. I'll be flying without the landing gear now for some time. We'll pull out the landing gear when we are close to Miami. Only in 5 minutes, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to...
Janana Kasu liked the stream. Anil Kumar liked the
playing on
stream.
PC or console? I'm playing in PC, brother. This is not Xbox. I'm playing in PC, and this is... I'm not even playing from my new PC. I'm playing from my old PC, 2018 PC. In this PC, see, just look at the graphics. If I would play from the latest PC, then the graphics would be more better. Yeah, bro, this is, no, we are in Hollywood still now. We are close to Miami.
Ramlakhan Shakya liked the stream. Uche Godwin liked the stream.
From Incontables, that's the beginning of Miami. Yeah, we are close, only for 3 to 4 minutes this is going to take to land in Miami International Airport.
VSR Shivram liked the stream.
Look at this beautiful Miami, guys. Now I will pull out the landing gear soon when we will be close to the airport.
Sujal Solanki liked the stream.
Look at this beautiful Miami beach, by the way. This is a beautiful Miami beach and Miami city. Thanks for 91 likes, and guys, make sure to share the stream. Sharing is caring, you know.
Vanessa liked the stream.
Look at this beautiful Miami. It's really amazing. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we are preparing for the landing. We are taking the extreme right from here. I can see there is no traffic in both the runways, so any runway I can take. There are 2 runways, largest runways. Yes, brother. Zero. Yes, so you ROUT, brother.
Sarah Silva liked the stream. Timothy P. Sherman liked the stream.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to land in Miami, and after that I will take you to the Key West side. That's my target, and we'll come back to Miami again. Is it change weather? Oh brother, obviously when at one place the weather, why should it be fixed? Should be changing, right? This is how this works. Should I land? Should I land? Should I land? That was really an amazing landing. Wow, so smooth. Now let's fly to the sky again. Let me take you to the Key West side. Should I take you to the Miami side? The Melbourne side? I think I should take you to Key West side. Let's go there.
Miami approach Speedbird 1811 is type going be 78x 2 miles
No,
southwest
let's
of
follow
Miami,
this highway.
500
Let me
feet.
see if I will be able to take you to Tampa side or not. Tampa International. You know the Tampa?
Miami approach. Swamp 2776.
Squawk
Did you enjoy the landing,
2776 Speedbird
everyone?
1811.
What happened? So good landing. Thanks a lot. We are not going to stop, bro. We'll be flying again. I showed you the beautiful landing.
Cleared through the Bravo airspace Speedbird 1811.
Speedbird 1811. You're leaving my airspace radar service terminated.
I know we are leaving.
0, 0. Frequency change approved.
I already showed you the beautiful landing. Why is it telling me this? I already landed, didn't I?
Speedbird 1811. Miami approach Speedbird 1811 is type going be 78x 6 miles west of Miami 300 feet. Request flight following.
Speedbird 1811 Miami approach. Squawk 7462.
Squawk 7462 Speedbird 1811.
Wow, this is a dry land area.
Speedbird 1811 radar contact 8 miles west of Miami 300 feet. Altimeter 29.902.
Roger Speedbird 1811.
Speedbird 1811 contact Miami approach on 125.75. Good day.
125.75 for Speedbird 1811. Miami approach Speedbird 1811 600 feet.
Speedbird 1811.
I'm taking you to Miami.
29.902. Continue as planned.
Miami approach Speedbird 1811.
You didn't see there were
Request
so many
clearance to
electric poles.
transition Bravo airspace.
Speedbird 1811 Miami approach.
Wow,
Clear to the Bravo airspace.
amazingly different place this is.
Jason Barontong liked the stream. Dawa Sherpa Solo liked the stream.
Have you ever considered playing the Q2 on
Dan
PS3?
Gilbert liked the stream.
No bro. I never played. Let me show you one more landing. I can do, but speed is a little bit higher. But I can do the proper landing. It's great. I'm going to show you a perfect touchdown, not landing. See? Woohoo! Did you enjoy? Have you enjoyed again?
Miami approach Speedbird 1811 is type going be 78x 1 mile southeast of Miami, 400 feet. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Speedbird 1811 Miami approach. Squawk 147 tree.
Fast Tomeo liked the stream.
Squawk 147 tree Speedbird 1811.
Speedbird 1811 radar contact 3 miles southeast of Miami, 700 feet. Clear to the Bravo airspace. Maintain on navigation.
Cleared through the Bravo airspace Speedbird 1811.
Sumit Kumara liked the stream.
Thanks for like. What's up? How are you, everyone? Look at this beautiful Miami.
Wasim Abbas liked the stream.
That is close. This is a beautiful Miami island, guys. Beautiful Miami city, by the way. Which game do you play? Tornado.
1811.
Where are you from, by the way, brother?
Terminated. Squawk 1200. Frequency change approved.
Are you from India? No, you're Western
Squawk
kid.
1200.
My bad. Robin Valley High
Frequency
School. I
change
thought
approved
Robin.
Speedbird 1811. Miami approach Speedbird 1811 is type going be 78x 5 miles southeast of Kilo Bravo India Charlie 1000 feet. Request clearance to transition Bravo airspace.
Sony liked the stream.
Thanks a lot, everyone.
Squawk 5515 Speedbird 1811.
Speedbird 1811 radar contact 3 miles southeast of Kilo Bravo, India, Charlie, 500 feet. Cleared through the Bravo airspace. Maintain on navigation.
Cleared through the Bravo airspace Speedbird 1811.
Kathe Beeling liked the stream.
Thanks, man. Thanks a lot.
Speedbird 1811, you're leaving my airspace radar service. Terminated.
Junior King Vibes liked the stream.
Frequency change approved.
Squawk 1200. Frequency change approved
Careful,
Speedbird
Gary.
1811. Miami approach Speedbird 1811 is type going be 78x 4 miles northeast of Kilo Bravo
Everyone, welcome to the stream. Really appreciate it for your lovely support and follows, guys. Really, really appreciate it.
Miami approach. 10524.
Squawk 0524 Speedbird 1811.
Munishwar Singh Munde liked the stream.
Miles northeast of Kilo Bravo, India Charlie 600 feet. Altimeter 29.92.
Roger Speedbird 1811. Miami approach Speedbird 1811. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace.
Speedbird 1811 Miami approach. Clear to the Charlie airspace.
Cleared to Charlie airspace Speedbird 1811.
Thanks for 100 likes, guys. Thanks a lot. Really appreciate it, man. Fly me to the moon. Let me to the moon. Wow, that was a close one. Fly me to the moon.
Latino Rodos liked the stream.
Contact Miami. Approach for 119.7. Midday.
Going to 119.7 Speedbird 1811. Miami approach Speedbird 1811 800 feet.
Speedbird 1811 Miami approach altimeter 29.92. Continue as planned. Speedbird 1811, you're leaving my airspace. Window on navigation. Contact Miami. Approach for 128.6. Midday.
128.6 for Speedbird 1811. Miami approach Speedbird 1811 500 feet.
Speedbird 1811 Miami approach altimeter 29.92. Continue as planned.
Rozan Khan liked the stream.
Guys, soon we are going to land the plane. Later Army stream.
Anthony Batty liked the stream.
Speedbird 1811 contact Palm Beach. Approach for 125.2. Midday.
125.2 Speedbird 1811. Palm Beach approach Speedbird 1811 400 feet.
Milena Privalova liked the stream.
Speedbird 1811 Palm Beach approach altimeter 10.9.9 to continue as planned.
Evan liked the stream. Anderson Sebastião Dorda liked the stream. Dabbu Kaita Dranda liked the stream.
Thanks for like everyone. Look interesting, man. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to land right now. Where is our nearest airport? I am just trying to find. Okay, that's the Boca Raton. Let's try to land there. Oh no, we can land in Palm Beach. Just right here. There will be our Palm Beach International Airport soon, yes. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to land.
Eid Jumah liked the stream.
Speedbird 1811. Request clearance to transition Charlie airspace.
Speedbird 1811 Palm Beach approach. Cleared through the Charlie airspace.
Cleared through Charlie airspace, Speedbird 1811.
This is the South Palm Beach, guys. And in front of us there will be the North Palm Beach. So Palm Beach at Country Park is the South Palm Beach side. See? On the left side there is our South Palm Beach. The Palm Beach Country Park. That's our Palm Beach International Airport, ladies and gentlemen, on the left side, and we are gonna checking it there, and we are going to land. Thanks for being here and giving so much love and support. Really appreciate it, guys, everyone.
Palm Beach approach Speedbird 1811 is type Boeing B-78X 3 miles southeast of Palm Beach 900 feet. Request
We are
clearance to
approaching to
transition
the
Charlie
shortest
airspace.
runway.
Speedbird 1811 Palm Beach approach. Walk 3041.
Dogtree 041 Speedbird 1811.
Speedbird
Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to land.
2 miles southeast of Palm Beach, 300 feet. Cleared through the Charlie airspace. Maintain own navigation.
Cleared
Landing
through the
was
Charlie
great,
airspace
but-
Speedbird 1811.
It was a risky one too.
Abdullah Izom liked the stream.
Yeah, it's okay. And thanks for your lovely support, guys. I'm seeing you in the next stream. Bye bye. Have a nice day.